Determining a good EPS for stock investing. It's kind of like asking, what's a good time for running a mile? It varies wildly depending on the context. For those that might not know, EPS stands for earnings per share. It's the portion of a company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock, serving as an indicator of a company's profitability. Here's the thing with EPS. It can't be looked at in isolation. A good EPS figure is subjective and relative. A company with a high EPS might be doing exceptionally well, or it might be a signal that the stock is overvalued if it's way higher than its peers. On the flip side, a lower EPS doesn't automatically mean a bad investment. It might be an undervalued stock ripe for the picking. When you're scrolling through the ticker looking for that diamond in the rough, the key actually lies in comparing the EPS with other companies within the same industry. It helps to understand whether a stock is trading above or below its peers. Let's take a stroll down another path, though. Growth matters too. Here in Portland, we've got companies like Nike, and while it might have an impressive EPS, what's more intriguing is the growth rate of that EPS. If EPS is consistently climbing, that could indicate a robust, expanding business model. Also, consider the company's price-to-earnings, PE ratio. This takes the stock price and divides it by EPS. If you've got a stock with a PE much lower than industry peers, the market might be signaling it's undervalued. Or maybe there's a scandal you haven't heard about yet. Context is king. Remember, a good EPS figure for one company could be a bad EPS for another. It's also essential to dive into other financial health indicators, such as revenue growth, debt levels, and market trends. Here's a golden rule in investing. Don't rely on any single metric for your investment decisions. Always analyze the broader picture with a comprehensive set of financial ratios and industry comparisons to make an educated choice. So rather than focusing solely on a good EPS figure, think of it as one piece of a much larger financial puzzle. Mixing and matching these pieces together will paint a clearer picture and guide you towards a more informed investment decision. And isn't that what we're all looking for? Clear pictures to guide us through the fog.